to my channel. Yes, I am super excited to share with you guys what I got at CVS. Sorry, I am like in excruciating pain. My tailbone hurts so badly that when I get up, I'm in tears because it hurts. I have to go see a chiropractor. It's something to do with this pregnancy, but it hurts to sit down. It hurts to get up. But sorry if you guys see me move, it's because I'm in pain. But I am so excited to share with you guys what I got at CVS. This is one of the best, well, money-wise, no, but one of the best hauls I've had in a long time. I feel like the hauls have been slacking at CVS a lot this week, and I was super excited to use a lot of my CRTs. I feel like I don't get to use enough. Now, if you guys didn't know this, when you guys scan your card at the red box, scan it 4 different times, because there are times where it's like I scan it and you look online and I only got maybe like what, eight deals, but then when I scan it I get lists and lists and lists. So make sure you guys scan it at least 4 times. It'll tell you when you are done printing them. But some people are saying they don't get a lot of good CRTs. Just keep on printing them, because I get more CRTs that print off than what I actually show on the app. So just giving you guys a heads up with that. But I ended up doing 5 transactions, because a lot of the CRTs that we get, like the 2 off of 10 or the 4 off of 18, you guys cannot combine those in in the same transaction. You can only use one of those coupons per transaction. So what I ended up doing is just making several transactions to make it easier. And then what I've been doing in the last 3 weeks is, since I found out that I'm having problems with my coupon scanning, so what I do is I have everything organized when I get to the register, so then I make a pile of what transaction I'm going to be doing. And then what I do is I tell the cashier, I give her the products, and I say, hey, I got 1 coupon for those 2 products. So she'll scan it, scan the coupon. Or I got 1 coupon, or 1 product, 1 coupon, 1 product, 1 coupon. So I've been doing that. I feel like everything's been going by a whole lot easier. It's a lot more organized, and both the cashier and myself feel a little bit easier. Then I know everything is going correctly. So just giving you guys a few pointers if you guys are interested in something like that, but you're like, shut up, Jennifer, and just bring on the deals, because that's all I came here for. So yes, let's bring on the deals. So you two guys, I ended up doing the Eucerin deal. Now, this was $10.79, and this was $9.49. It was spend 20, you get 10. So I ended up using 2 $3 off coupons that we got from coupons.com, and I had a 3 off of 10 lotion coupon. So I ended up using that. You guys would pay $11.28 for the both of these, but then you guys will get a $10 extra care buck, making it $1.28 or just 64 cents a piece. I am not a huge fan of Eucerin. My husband likes it, but it's okay. I'm a Vaseline person, or I love Bath and Body Works, but hey, it still does the job, and I really love it when they give you the pumpers. So had to share with you guys on that deal. I could have done that on both cards, but I only had just 2 of the printable coupons, and there's certain deals where I'm like, it's not a big deal to me, and there's some that I'm like, I can't let this go by. So we got that. Priscilla is my ultimate favorite laundry detergent. This is something I've been using before I started couponing. I started using it, and I love it. I love the smell. I love the job it does. For a while before we started using this, I've had like white residue on a lot of my clothes, and I'm just like, what the heck? And I found out, well, number one, you might be using too much laundry soap, because you only need a little bit. But another thing is, I just felt like I just didn't like that laundry detergent. So I ended up using Priscilla. I've been using this for about 4 years, maybe even longer than that, and I absolutely love it. So this is something I never get rid of, never donate, never do any of that stuff, because I love it. But this is $4.99. We did have a $2 off coupon. I didn't get those, so I had those from coupons.com. The coupon to use, you guys would pay $2.99. There is a deal for $2 off of Savings Star if you guys clipped that to your card last week. Now you got to make sure it's clipped to your app before you buy the product. And something about Savings Star, with CVS, you don't even have to submit your receipts. It automatically does it for you. Usually you just have to wait 48 hours. But I got this bad boy for 99 cents, which I'm pretty excited to use. So, got that laundry detergent. They also have the Armand Hammer on sale at Walgreens or CVS. Doesn't matter where you guys buy it, it's the same deal. They didn't have the power packs at my CVS. They do at Walgreens, but not the power packs. So this was $1.99. You guys use that dollar off coupon that we got. Now there are digital coupons, I think, for it. I can't remember, but there are digital coupons. There's printable coupons, or there's the inserts. So you guys would get this for 99 cents. And sorry, I'm getting out of breath. It's pregnancy issues. I always get out of breath most of the time when I'm talking because I just talk. So, yeah. You're going to hear noises up front, upstairs, because my kid needs to take a nap and he refuses. So, if you hear crying, he's having a fit right now. But Colgate toothbrushes, I love these toothbrushes. This is the one that I'm using right now. So these are $3.99. I didn't have any personal CRTs for it, so you guys want to use a dollar off coupon. Now I just had 2 of them, so I'm like, why not? Because I haven't bought toothbrushes in a while. But you guys would pay $2.99 for one toothbrush. But then you guys will get a $2 ECB, making it 99 cents. And usually I say 99 cents for a toothbrush is a pretty decent deal. So there is that for you guys if you're interested in that. Okay, the next deal we got is mouthwash. One thing I really like to stock up on is mouthwash. I feel like I never really stock up on mouthwashes or toothbrushes. It's mostly toothpaste, which is fine, but I really like to stock up on mouthwash. Now this is $3.99. You guys want to use a dollar off coupon that we got in today's paper. I also had a 2 off of 6 mouthwash, and I had a 2 off of 12, but I'm going to use the 2 off of 6 so I don't pay that much out of pocket. So I used 2 of those coupons, used the 2 off of 6 CRT. You guys would pay $3.98, but then you guys will get $1 back and $1 back, making it 99 cents. So 99 cents for mouthwash is a pretty good deal. I usually say you should never pay more than a quarter for toothpaste, but mouthwash is a little bit of a different story. I see more of it for 99 cents than anything else, which is completely fine. I know there's stock up prices, which I should probably do a stock up price video. I just got to figure out the prices, but I might do that sometime just to share with you guys with that. Now, one deal I was super excited to do is the Lady Speed Stick. Now, this was still a good deal without the CRT, but I did it on both transactions because I had the coupons, and I'd hardly ever get ladies deodorant. I get more men's deodorant than I get women's, and what my Walgreens doesn't sell the Lady Speed Stick, so these were $3.39. They were buy one, get one 50% off. I also had a buy one, get one free coupon. Now, it depends on what your store does. My store took off the 50% off one, which I'm not going to complain about. So she took off a, well, what was it? I don't remember what she took off. But anyways, then I also got a CRT for 2 off of 2 Ladies Speed Stick. So I ended up using that for both of them. I had both of them. So I paid $1.39 for 2 of them, which is still a pretty good deal. But then you guys will get $3 back in an ECB, making it a $1.60 moneymaker. So I got both of these absolutely free and a moneymaker. So I was pretty excited about that. I ended up getting the Garnier Febreze. Now, this is something that I never let go to waste. I I love these coupons. I love these products. I'm a huge Garnier Fructis person, so I had to do this in both cards because I absolutely love it. These are 2 for $7. I used that 4 off of 2 coupon that we got in our inserts from last week. I also had a $1 off Garnier Fructis CRT that we received from last week. I paid $2 for 2 of them, but then you guys would get $2 back, making it free. So I got those absolutely free. So I love that. And I just realized I did my math wrong when I was adding everything up. So my count is wrong, but that's okay. I'm still gonna share with you guys what I did. Now, another deal I did is the Febreze deal. This turns out to be an awesome deal. I love stocking up on Febreze because it's something I don't really stock up on. Now, I did this deal with both cards, but one card was a different scenario than the other. So if you guys don't have the CRT, the Febreze Air is $4.19. Some of them are $4.19 and some of them are $4.29. So we're just gonna do $4.19, and then it's buy one get one 50% off. Then there is a 3 off of 2 coupon in the CVS app. You guys would pay $8.01, or you guys would use that digital coupon. These are $6.49. Again, buy one get one 50% off. There is a 5 off of 2 coupon in the CVS app. You guys would pay $8.01 for all 4 of these, but then you guys will get $5 back, making it $3.01 for all 4, which is still a pretty good deal. But then with my other card, I did the 3 off of 2 and the 5 off of 2 digital coupon, but I also had a 2 off CRT for the Febreze one. So that ended up becoming $6.01. I got that $5 ECB. This comes out to be $1.01. That comes out to be a quarter a piece, which is an awesome deal. So I got that for both of my cards, because one card I got for $3.01, the other card I got for $1.01. So I ended up getting different flavors, is what I call them, instead of cents. So I did that deal with both of my cards, and my store was stocked on that stuff. If they didn't have very much, I went and got it, the double deal. Now, there is another deal that I got, is the Irish Spring bar soap. Now, I was going to do this, and then I read the CRT, and I could have gotten bar soap or soft soap. Now, I did this deal only with one card because I only got one of the CRTs. Otherwise, I would have done it differently. So, these were 4 for $10. The Irish Spring were 4 for $10, or the soft soap were 4 for $10. The coupons we had expired yesterday for these because I couldn't use those. But anyways, they are 4 for $10. I ended up getting a 4 off of 10 CRT for the Irish Spring 3-bar soap or the soft soap hand wash. So that comes out right there, paying $6 for the 4 of these items. But then if you guys buy 4 of them, you get a $5 ECB, making it $1. These came out to be a quarter a piece, which is an awesome deal. I like to get a lot of the Irish Springs, but I don't get a lot of hand soap as much. So for a quarter a piece, I thought I'm just going to split it and do the deals individually. But you guys could buy 4 of these if you want, or you could do 4 of the soft soaps. It just depends on what you guys want to do, but I was pretty excited to get that CRT. That surprised me when it printed off at the store. Now, I got 2 other more deals for you guys. Now, I ended up getting the Head & Shoulders. Now, this is something I rarely ever get in my hauls, and because Head & Shoulders is expensive. These were on sale for 2 for $24. 2 for $12. $6 a bottle is ridiculous, and there's people who pay that, like, they pay that price, and I'm like, why do you guys pay that price? So I ended up getting 4 Head & Shoulders. So that comes out to be $24. $24 for 4 bottles of shampoo and conditioner. That's ridiculous. But I ended up having some 5 off of 2 coupons that we got from the P&G. So I used 2 5 off of 2 coupons. So that marks it down to 14. I also had a 4 off of 18 shampoo and conditioner. So that marked it down to 10 bucks. And then I had a $2.50 off Head & Shoulders CRT. So I ended up using that. Comes out to be $7.50, but then you guys will get $5 back in an ECB, making it $2 or just 62 cents a piece. Now, there's another deal you guys can do this with the Head & Shoulders and the BioRenew. The only thing is I could not use that 4 off of 18 with the BioRenew. So I'm like, okay, what do I want to do? I'd rather get the Head & Shoulders because that's something I don't get as much as I do as the Head & Shoulder, or as the Herbal Essence. So, security take. So I'm like, I'm just going to get the Head & Shoulders. Otherwise, you guys could do whatever. You could do 2 Head & Shoulders and 2 BioRenews. If you guys want to do the BioRenews, you can if you have those CRTs. But I thought this was a better deal for the Head & Shoulders. And then, I didn't realize this. I was going to do this deal on both of my cards, but I didn't realize this. But then I'm like, oh crap. Can't do this on both of my, or on each card. I have to do it on separate deals. So this is a different deal that you guys can do if you guys have 2 cards or if you don't want to do the Head & Shoulders. So what I ended up getting is, there's a straw. I ended up getting 2 regular two regular Herbal Essence and 2 regular Aussies. Now these were the Head & Shoulders. Why do I keep saying the Head & Shoulders? The Herbal Essence were $3.89 and the Aussie were $4.59. They're all on sale for buy one get one 50% off. I used a 2 off of 2 of the Head & Shoulders and the Herbal Essence, and 2 off of 2 off the Aussie. And then I also had a 2 off CRT of the Aussie, so I ended up using that. You guys would pay $6.71 for all 4 of these, but then you guys will get $5 back, making it $1.71 or just 42 cents a piece, which I think is a great deal. So you can either do this deal if you guys have the CRTs, or the Head & Shoulders. If you guys have 2 cards, then do either one. So I'm just saying that is an awesome deal. I'm finally excited to stock up on shampoo. Like, I'm pretty excited, and most likely I will be getting I'll probably getting $6 or $9 worth of beauty from that. But yeah, that was my haul. I think I did pretty good. I was pretty excited to actually get a lot of stuff. Beforehand, it's like kind of lame here and there, but I felt super organized. I had everything down pat. With my new card, I ended up paying $2.26 out of pocket. I ended up using $23 worth of ECBs, but I did receive 15. So I did take a loss, but you know what? I don't care. I paid $2.26. That's how I feel. So my total came to $10.26 if you technically add it up. My old card came to $2.05. I used $40. I always get the hiccups at the end of the videos. $40 worth of ECBs. I received $32 back. I will be getting $2 back from Saving Star for the Priscilla. That comes out to be $8.05. So if you add both transactions up, that comes to $18.31. I will never pay, well, actually $18.31 for all that stuff is still a pretty good deal. If you guys are just starting out, that is an awesome deal. So just saying on that. But I ended up getting 30 items at 61 cents a piece. I think that is a pretty good deal. I did forget to factor in the Garnier Fructis. I felt like those were free, so I don't think I added it. So my counts might be off. It might not have been 18. It might be 14. So if I redid my math, but it's not a big deal. You guys can figure it out depending on what deals you guys want to do. I hope you guys enjoy this CVS haul. It became one of my favorite hauls that I've done in a long time. Hope to see you guys all later, and thanks for watching. Bye-bye.